everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I thought I'd do a quick sort of hair tutorial for you today. I've seen a lot on Instagram and YouTube about like boho kind of waves, and I know a lot of people use them like wave barrel tongs, I don't know what they're called, wavers, whatever they're called, but unfortunately I don't have any and I'm not in a position to purchase any at the moment. So I thought I would do my own sort of take and try out for myself. I tried it out yesterday using my GHD straighteners. So yeah, this is the finished look. But yeah, so this is the finished look and it's literally just using my straighteners. It lasts in all day. And yeah, so if you want to see how I got these lovely waves, then please keep watching. So I've already started off by straightening my hair, so the next thing I'm going to do is just take my heat defense spray, which is the Got To Be Guardian Angel, and I'm just going to spray that all over the whole of my hair, just sectioning it, just because my straighteners do get quite hot, so you need to use heat spray. And then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to brush my hair out, get rid of any knots, and to help the heat defense dry a little bit quicker, because obviously you don't want to put hot irons onto wet heat defense spray, because it will do just the same effect as not having it on at all. So you let that dry out a little bit. Once it feels a bit dry, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to section off my hair. Just take some clips, these are came in my GHDs. Just clip that up. And then what I'm going to do is just take my hair at the back and just split it into two. Bring it either side. Again, just half that. So it's sectioned again into two. And just put the front bit at the back. And just grab a bit of hair. Make sure your straighteners are on, and just go quite, you don't have to go too close. And then what you can do is just bend it down, move it down, bend it the other way, move it down, and just keep doing that. Obviously the more you twist the straighteners, the more of a wave you'll create that you can see. It's a nice subtle little wave. And just take the rest of your hair, obviously it doesn't have to be neat, it doesn't have to be all even, because we want that sort of messy look. And just it's quite a nice subtle wave, squeaky chair. And then just do the same on the other side. You can do bigger sections of your hair if you prefer. I just like to do smaller sections so I know I haven't missed anything. One side of my hair always comes out better than the other. It's normally this side that doesn't come out as good. Again, just ruffle that up so it all blends in together. But a nice, I don't know if you can see that very well, just a subtle wave. And then what I like to do, if I'm sectioning my hair, I like to just take a hairband and just put it round the bit that I've already done. I don't know if you can see. Not tightly, because obviously you don't want the crease from the hairband, but just so it's sort of out of the way. And then it makes it easier when you've sectioned some more of your hair. Makes it easier to tell which parts that you've done and which parts that you haven't, because if you're anything like me, I'm rubbish at it, sorry. And you can easily see what part, or feel what part you've done and what part you haven't. Just makes it a bit more easier. Again, section it off. Show you what it would look like if you took a bigger piece of hair. That. Just a bit. So that's what it looks like. Again, just ruffle that all together. Take out the bit that you've tied up. It's still, the bit that you've tied up has still kept its wave, so you don't have to worry about that. And then I think I'm just going to forward the rest and then I'll come back to you. And then just for the top section of my hair, I just like to let it all down, and then I'll just take just little parts, little sections of the hair, and just do that. So obviously at the top it looks more defined waves, because obviously I'm not too bothered about the ones underneath because you're not really going to see them. The ones on the top you can obviously see, and then my fringe I just like to keep straight. So I'm just going to take just random sections, no really particular order, just go through them and just mess it all up. Make sure you get the back The thing I like the most about doing this with straighteners is that you can just touch up little sections if you want to. And obviously, like throughout the day if you need to, I don't need to anyway, but throughout the day if you feel that you need to, you can just go over again. Obviously the smaller the section you do, the more wavy it looks. And once I've done all of that, I just like to go through it all with a brush just to get out any knots and matty parts. And I like to go and use my Elnette satin hairspray and just all over. Ruffle it up a bit and just spray a bit more heat spray. Just touch up any parts that I might have brushed out. And there you go. I don't know how clear you can see them. My lighting is absolutely rubbish, I'm afraid. But then just to make more of a sort of messy kind of look, I just like to go in with the L'Oreal Studio Matte and Messy Shine Free Salt Spray. So just take top section of my hair, and then through the ends, preferably not in your mouth, and just mess it all up. And then that is my take on the sort of boho messy beach style waves, which I think I'm going to be wearing this look quite a lot in the autumn winter, because my hair is naturally quite wavy anyway, so I don't wear it down a lot, because if I straighten it, it doesn't stay straight, if I curl it, it doesn't stay curly. But these seem to stay in. They stayed in all day yesterday, so I hope you liked how I done this. But let me know in the comments below if you liked this sort of hair look. I'm trying to find a good angle. Yeah, so yeah, let me know in the comments below. I'll leave all of my links down below for you to find me, and any requests, any tags, anything like that, then please leave in the comments below and I'll get round to doing them. And yes, I hope you like this autumn sort of hairstyle look. Yeah, so I'll speak to you guys soon. Bye.